Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Galaxy M15. This is the brand new phone, so we're gonna open it and see what is inside of the box. As you see, it's a brand new phone. So let's try to open it by this side and by this side too? No, maybe not. Yeah, this only from this way. So we have slide the box, and there we have a paperwork, which is been an instruction. There is a warranty card here. And there is a USB-C cable. There is a quick start guide. And there is all about it. Let's see what is else more. There is a phone, of course, and there is a key to open the SIM card slot. And there is a phone, which we're gonna open by ungluing this paper cover. And that is how it looks like our phone. It's pretty nice look with something glass with the line at the back. It's in a green color. So it's all about the unboxing of your Galaxy M15. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!